Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too. Because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
Okay, guys, pardon me. I don't like to get into a trade while we're waiting for things to happen, or for this intro to play, but I did. So I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a sell, and I'm about ready to get out. It's not giving me what I was hoping it would give me. It's being a little stingy with me, so I'm just going to pop right out there with 89 bucks or so. Not a bad trade. Decided to go in my favor there, right there at the last minute. Let's see. What do I need? Alright, I don't need that much more, actually. Let's get the music turned down here a little bit. In fact, let's just slip into our usual groove. How about that? Alright, what we're looking at here is a massive drop in gold. Look at this. This is the 1 minute chart. Look at it on the 5 minute chart. It's even... This is the 15-minute chart. It's even more dramatic. We were hanging out up here, and then bam, all through London we fell, and then now coming into New York. Our session is still 11 minutes away from starting, and I've already gotten in 4 winning trades just by being here on the charts at the right time. I could tell that was going, and so the last 3 sessions, I've only made half my nut each time. So that means I had 150 to catch up on, plus 150 today to do, to get my nut. So that's 300 I had to do today. And I believe I have just about hit that. I've got, you know, a couple shekels to go if I really want to nail it. Sorry, no face today again. I've got the camera on behind me because I'm just, again, I'm not looking my best. I haven't shaved. Looking a little scruffy. We're continuing to go down here, but you will get me tomorrow. In the meantime, it's hard to even put a finger on what we're doing here. We can't put price in a box because price is collapsing right now. There's no little range to to trade right now. Even if we look at this on a 1 minute chart, it's not creating a range. It's still trying to decide if it's going to fall. It's about to hit the WS2 here. The question is it going to push through that as well? Are we, this is already a pretty significant decline for one day. I want to take a look at this on the hourly chart, honestly, and see what that looks like. Oh, look at that. That is a dramatic fall. We look at the top of where that fell from. Let's say Asia last night, where we were. I was at 4,700, let's say, 4,701. And we are now at 45.56, about a 150 point drop. And have we bottomed out? If we have, I start looking for a long on the way up. Okay, not a whole lot to discuss here in terms of like where we are, what the indicators say and so forth. The indicators are saying, what? As we drop off a cliff. Let's go ahead and open up the Zoom room. No, that's okay, I'll open it up. Where's my calendar? All right, well, it's not popping up, even though it says it's open. Oh, there it is. Found it. Today. Here we go. And we continue to drop. We are pushing into some resistances here, although not sure that that should matter. Really is looking like gold wants to say sayonara. We're looking at the low here, 45.55 right now. Let's take a look at it on a lower time frame here. Well, let's move this back to the 1 minute the way it was supposed to be. We're going to try to push below that WS2 is the question. Dollar's still trying to push up. Now something, been nice trading this. Let's be real. Something drove this. Let's see what Truth Social says. Follow the orange Cheeto. What did he publish? What the heck is this? United States District Court for the District of Columbia. Alright, so they're trying to get the ballroom built. All right, so nothing too crazy, at least right now. Nothing that should drive the prices down like that. Let me check front page of the Financial Times and the Wall Street Journal and see what they have. no prices up, but we knew that going into the session. Maybe this is just the market reacting to that. Let's see what Wall Street Journal says. Okay, I'm seeing this as a rebound here. Wait for this candle to close. And I need to update my stats panel too. Okay. Just kind of sitting on our hands here, waiting. Let things consolidate here a little bit. It's had this big drop down to the WS2. Here it is evaluating its life choices, trying to decide if we're going to continue down or we're going to pop up and have some profit taking going on here. We have the 8 o'clock bell coming in where our session officially starts in just a few seconds, 8 seconds. There it is. Now, we're going to get that pushed to the upside or to the downside. Which algorithms are going to win? Looks like it still wants to come down. I'm gonna take the ride. Trying to push this one up there. We're at 180 positive, but I took a big loss on that last one, so I really need to ride this as long as it'll go. Don't want it to come back down on me here now. It shows me over 200 again. I think I'll take it. $180, $192, $174, $177, $180. $195, $192, $201, $204, $210, $231. Let's keep going. There we go. I will take. Come on. Get up there. It was showing me 300. That's where I'll get off. Shows that to me again. $261, $279, $282, $288. For there. 306. A good trade. it should turn over, and we should be able to get a little bit more on the way down. Okay. Let's see what we have for news. Tuesday, April 28th. At 8:15, we had weekly ADP unemployment change. So that's why we got, well, I don't know, that rise started happening before then. That last one there was on 8:15. At 10 a.m. we have consumer confidence. And that's it. Consumer confidence at 10. All right, so this is toppling over. We got the COMEX open in 1 minute, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, there's our 820. Okay, looks like it wants to go up. Still. This is one of those get out at first opportunity trades. Right there. Okay, I'm done. I have my nut. Okay, well, I'm going to, I think I'm probably going to call it here. Let me see. I could explain my trades, but I think I'll save that for our next session. So actually, right now, I think where we are is, we'll be coming back at 7:45 p.m. tonight. And I'll catch you then.